Hey guys, this is Canada5N here. Late night video of my 2004 duracraft 10-inch box fan model DB100. Got this at Goodwill a long time ago. It replaced my 89 Sanyo desk fan, a sling desk fan. Here's high. Low. High. Low. Back to high. And off. Here's the side view. And the back of the fan. It's like they had this in an ivory color as well. These were sold at CVS for $16. Yeah. And it's not a fuse plug. Oh, there it goes. It's not a fuse plug, it's one of those polarized plugs. And while it's on the bottom, you can see. Can't really see, but it says it was manufactured, manufactured, right there. Manufactured October 2004. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.